Good morning, friends, and happy Monday. It's another week of virtual school. We've got this. Okay, so today is Monday. What day was yesterday? Yesterday was Sunday. So if today is Monday, what day will it be tomorrow? Tuesday. And it's still April. Today is Monday, April 20th, 2020. Can't believe it. Time's flying. I sure do miss you. So this week, we are going to be talking about plants. So we talked about insects, and we talked about butterflies. So now we're going to learn about something else that's living, plants. Our first story this week is called From Seed to Plant by Gail Gibbons. Most plants make seeds. A seed contains the beginning of a new plant. Have you ever planted a seed before? I love planting seeds. Seeds are different shapes, sizes, and colors. All seeds grow into the same kind of plant that made them. So if you find a seed in your sunflower, it's going to make a new sunflower. So these are all different kinds of seeds. And there's a sunflower seed and an acorn. The acorn grows into a tree. Many plants grow flowers. Flowers are where most seeds begin. A flower is made up of many parts. So these are all different types of beautiful flowers. And this is showing you the parts of a flower. Before a seed can begin to grow, a grain of pollen from the stamen must land on the stigma at the top of the pistil of a flower like itself. This is called pollination. Pollination happens in different ways. Often, wind blows pollen from flower to flower. Can you think of something else besides the wind that can carry pollen? Bees, other insects, and hummingbirds help pollinate too. While they visit flowers for their sweet juice called nectar, pollen rubs onto their bodies. Then they carry the pollen to another plant where it comes off onto its pistil. That's another reason why bees are so important. We have to be careful with bees, but they really help our environment. If a pollen grain from a flower lands on the pistil of the same kind of flower, it grows a long tube through the pistil into an ovule. This is the beginning of a seed. The seeds grow inside the flowers. Even as the flower begins to die, as the seed becomes bigger, a fruit or pod grows around them. The fruit or pod protects the seeds. Even though a flower might look like it's dying, it's still working inside to make a new seed. When the fruit or pod ripens, it breaks open. The seeds are ready to become new plants. Some seeds fall to the ground around the base of the plant where they will grow. Some pods or fruits open and the seeds pop out. Sometimes when birds eat berries, they drop the seeds. other seeds fall into streams, ponds, rivers, or the ocean, where they travel on the water until they stick to dirt along the shore. The wind scatters seeds. Some seeds have fluff on them that lets them float to the ground, like tiny parachutes. Others have wings that spin as they fall. Animals help scatter seeds too. They hide acorns and nuts in the ground. Some seeds have hooks that stick to the fur of animals or people's clothes. Later, they drop off onto the ground. Have you ever blown a dandelion? And you see what looks like little feathers fly off? Those are actually little seeds. And you are helping spread that plant. I love blowing dandelions. A flower bed or vegetable garden is beautiful. Seeds are planted to grow in the gardens. The seeds come in small envelopes or boxes. Directions explain how to plant the seeds and care for the plants. If we were still in school, we would be planting seeds right now. But we'll just have to wait till next year when we all get back together. The beginning of a plant is curled up inside each seed. Food is stored inside the seed too. The seed has a seed coat on the outside to protect it. So you know, like how you wear a raincoat to protect you from rain? Seeds have coats too. A seed will not sprout until certain things happen. First, it must be on or in the soil. Then it needs rain to soak the seed and soften its seed coat. Rain or water. So either has to be outside and get rained on, or someone has to water it with their watering can, or their hose, or their sprinkler. When the sun shines and warms the ground, the seed coat breaks open and the seed begins to grow. This is called germination. A root grows down into the soil. The root takes in water and minerals from the soil for food. Up grows a shoot. Green leaves grow up from the shoot toward the sun. So here go the roots down into the dirt. And up goes the shoot. And leaves begin to grow. And they go looking for the sun. The plant grows bigger and bigger. The leaves make food for the plant from the water and minerals in the soil, the sunlight and the air all around the plant. Finally, the plant is full grown. Buds on the plant open into flowers where new seeds will grow. Many of the foods people eat are seeds, fruits, and pods. They are full of nutrition, vitamins, and minerals, and they are tasty too. I hope you enjoyed our story today. It's one of my favorites. I love learning about plants. I will be back tomorrow with another story about plants and how to grow them. And I look forward to seeing you then. Have a great day.